Hi, and welcome to TurnerTime tutorial. This tutorial is on how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Here's how you will do that. First, you will type the items you want on the drop-down on a new sheet. You can also have these items on the same sheet where you want your drop-down to show up. However, in this tutorial, we have those items on another sheet, and we want to have our drop-down list appear on this sheet. So you will select the cells where you want a drop-down list, and then go to the Data tab, and left-click Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. Left-click the Source button, that is Yun up arrow. Select the range of items you want to appear in the drop-down. And then left-click the down arrow. Left-click OK. Now you will have a drop-down on those cells. If you have any questions or feedback, just send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. Thanks for watching and have a great day.